Hi guys, thank you for watching. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you I have just get my phone iPhone 16 Pro. I'm so happy, so I'm gonna unbox this iPhone so you can see it. First of all, I'll tell you something. To be honest, it's very big. Look at it. This is my another phone what I had. Look at it. It's very small, but this is very big, very big phone comparing with the phone I had. So see, this is my old phone and that is actually 3 times bigger than my phone. So I'm so happy to have my new phone here and I'm so happy to show it to you. So we're gonna unbox this phone today. iPhone 16 Pro, guys. iPhone 16 Pro. Look at it, guys. I really like it. I'm so happy. I can't tell you how happy I am. To be honest, I was waiting so long for my iPhone. Finally is here. Yes, guys, finally is here my iPhone. So now we're gonna unbox the phone. Yes, ready, guys. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. This is my iPhone, guys. Yes, this is my iPhone. So I'm gonna turn it like that so you can see it. It's a beautiful, lovely gold color. So I bought a gold color. I don't like white color, so I bought a gold color, a sand color. It's amazing. This phone have 3 camera here and 2 small. I don't know what they are, to be honest. I'll discover later, of course. This is a beautiful iPhone and it is all titanium. Look at it, guys. Titanium phone. It's amazing. So beautiful. But look at it. It's very big. I really love it. It's amazing phone, guys. It's all titanium. And I heard like there is a camera. This is the camera here. So you can play with that. And there's one here. Yeah. And there are 3 cameras here. So I'm so happy, guys, with this phone. So yes, guys, this is my phone, iPhone 16 Pro. So I'm very happy to show you. So this is what you see in the box. An iPhone, this is the phone, and then you have a cable, this cable for the battery, you see. So you get only one small tiny cable, no more. This is the only thing what you have in box. And this one, of course, for your card. So to take a card out or put your card on. And I think this is the guarantee of the phone, something like that. There is very small letter, I can't read it, they are too small, but I think this is the guarantee for the phone. So what you see in the box, there's no much actually. This is the box. You see an iPhone and a cable and only these things to take your card and you put card in. So very happy to show you that, guys. Stay with me. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna update the phone and put all the data from old phone to my new phone. So by now I will say thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.